So okay guys, how are y'all doing today? I hope y'all are having a great day. So do you have a Troy Bilt Bronco where the shift lever is just loose guys and wobbling like this? Well, you may need to replace or reinstall your shift lever spring guys, so I'm gonna show you how to do that. So here are our springs guys. I got these on Amazon, 2 for the pack. I believe I paid $10. So I'll leave the part number in the description guys. So okay guys, your spring connects right here where you see that little marking, and it connects to the frame right back there guys. Okay guys, so we'll connect our spring into the hole, and then we'll just stretch it and get it around the shift lever guys. May be good to have a piece of string or something like that to hold it guys, that way you can stretch it easier. So there we go guys. So that's how you fix a loose shift lever on your Troy Bilt Bronco. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. I will leave the part number in the description. Thank you. As you can see now guys, our shift lever is goes into the gear that we select now guys, without any wobbling or jumping out of gears. Thanks again for watching. God bless.